We're going to be looking at a pistol safe by BlackSmith. The nice folks over at BlackSmith sent this over for review, so let's get a look at it right now. Comes packaged well, comes with the owner's manual, screws, batteries, keys, everything you need, and it is very hefty. It weighs a whopping 12.5 pounds with the bracket. So it's very strong. In the middle, you got your fingerprint reader, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits here, and you put in your code, and the code on the brand new one is 1234. It opens up that quick access to your pistol, and a place for an extra magazine. The bracket mount is on either side. You can swap this bracket from that side, from the right side to the left side, depending on where you want to mount it, to your nightstand or your workbench, whatever you want to mount it to. Got a nice strong bracket. Has hooks that go into these slots here, and then you have a screw, that locking screw that locks it in. Put it in from the inside so that nobody can remove it. And on the back, you have your batteries, 4 AA's. And they provide the 4 AA's. Emergency access with the key if your batteries were to fail. A very nice looking unit, very strong, very rugged. It looks to be very secure. I wanted to take a quick look here at the slide assembly. We have one on the bottom, one on the side. Even with the unit sitting down on its side with the weight over to the side there, it works very well, and the spring-loaded tension opens a drawer easily. To set your code, open it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, slide in the drawer a little bit, put your finger inside, there's a button in there, hold it down till it beeps. Now put your code in, 1, 4, 3 for now, hold the button down inside till it verifies, 1, 4, 3. That's how you do that. That's how you put in your code. Now let's do the fingerprint. Same procedure. Hold it down till it beeps. Put your finger down till it beeps. Do it 3 times till it beeps and it accepts it. Now we'll try it. Fingerprint works. Very quick and responsive. Now, if you want to erase your fingerprints or your code and start over again, hold it down for 5 seconds. So you get that long beep. Now it's all reset. 1, 4, 3 doesn't work, and the fingerprint doesn't work. 1, 2, 3, 4 does work. So let's get a look at different pistols here. This is a Sig Sauer M17. So the P226, this is also an air pistol. It's all the same size as the regular P226. So these are replicas. And same thing, if you were to use a light on your pistol, you would have to open up this to make room for the light. And there is the Sig Sauer 1911 Emperor Scorpion Edition. You can put your extra magazine right there. This is the mounting bracket. The case, the safe sits on these tangs that sit out. There's 3 of them, 3 slots in the side of the case, and 3 matching tangs that it slides onto. You've got screw holes here that you mount this to the nightstand or the desk or whatever you want to mount it to. You can also mount it underneath and put them in the side if you have a platform that you can grab something on top. And this is what comes in the kit. You get these nice internal keys. You got the internal grooves. This little pack is a mounting kit. You got your screws, drywall anchors, set screw. I'm going to go with the 1/8 inch. Going to pre-drill the holes. So I'm going to mount it on this heavy piece of wood that's up here. My backboard is too flimsy to mount it on, and I got the slab on top. So I'm going to go into this main piece of wood right here. My side cabinet, my nightstand is curved, so it really doesn't have much place to mount a square box on the side. I've already measured to the side to where I want it to come out, and I might even cut this top piece off so that it's flush. So then you just match up the slots just like that. And that is all there is to it. Except one last thing, we have to reach in here and put in a set screw. A locking screw, set screw. So this is what it looks like. It's a little thumb screw. You can kind of judge by the where you see the mounting bracket at, about how far to reach. That was pretty easy. So there it is mounted. Now I think I may cut this upper piece off so that when you look across the top of it, you don't see anything there. So just touch it here. and there's your access.